Welcome to Vision English Academy.
Hello. Are you new here?
Yes, I am new. What is your name?
My name is Arjun, and you?
My name is Sia.
Nice to meet you, Sia.
Nice to meet you too, Arjun.
Which class are you in?
I am in 11th B, and you?
I am in 11th A.
Oh, good.
Do you like this school?
A little bit,
Why only a little?
because I don't have many friends here.
Oh, don't worry, I'm your first friend now.
Ha ha. Okay, deal.
Sia, do you like English?
Yes, I like English. What about you?
I like English, but I am not very good at it.
Oh, I can help you.
Really? That's great,
Yes. First, you should speak in English daily.
but I feel shy.
No need to feel shy. Just start with small sentences.
Okay, like, my name is Arjun.
Yes, also say, I am learning English.
I'm learning English.
Very good.
Sia, you are a good teacher.
Haha, thank you.
You are beautiful too.
Oh, is this English practice or flirting?
Both.
Okay, tell me one English word you learned today
Beautiful.
and use it in a sentence.
Sia is very beautiful.
Oh, wow. Good job.
Now, you teach me one word.
Okay, the word is charming.
What does it mean?
It means attractive or sweet.
Oh, like Sia is very charming?
Yes, correct sentence.
Give me one more English tip.
Okay, listen to English songs and watch English movies.
Which movie should I watch?
Start with cartoons like Doraemon or Peppa Pig.
Oh, I like Doraemon.
Great. Listen to how they talk. Copy their sentences.
That sounds fun.
Yes, also read simple English books.
Like which book?
Try The Jungle Book. It's easy.
Okay, I will read it.
Arjun, where is your lunch?
Oh, I forgot it at home.
You always forget?
No, just today so that I can take your lunch.
Clever boy.
Can I have one bite?
No, take two.
Wow, best friend goals.
Okay, let's eat and talk in English.
Sia, let's play a game.
Which game?
Word association. I say one word and you say the first word that comes to your mind.
Oh, fun. Start
Love?
friendship.
Cute?
Arjun.
Oh, wow. Good answer.
Okay, my turn. Arjun, do you have a dream?
Yes. I want to be a businessman.
Wow, what kind of business?
Something related to education.
Oh, nice. Then English is very important for you.
Yes, that's why I need you as my teacher.
And what will you teach me?
I will teach you how to have fun.
That's a good skill too. Let's make a deal.
What deal?
Every day we will speak in English for 10 minutes.
Okay, but I have one condition. You have to smile when I speak English.
Okay, deal.
Great. Now, let's start. Sia, you are my best English teacher.
And you are my best student.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content.